Is it time to buy or sell Nikola stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Nikola. We initially published a report on our website on Tuesday, January 30th, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 30th, 2024, our system has identified Nikola as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.97. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation and see how it unfolds in the coming days. In the short term, the stock is currently in a wide and falling trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $0.788, as it may indicate a slower falling rate and possibly a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -35.46% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -60.64% and -31.58%. For the 12-month trend, we see a projected -25.44% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between -100% and 191.57%. Ultimately, this means the stock could be valued anywhere from $0 to $2.17 after a year. Our latest update for Nikola focuses on the recent stock performance. On Tuesday, the stock experienced a decrease of 6.51%. Specifically, the stock price dropped from $0.795 to $0.743 on January 30th, 2024. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $0.738 and a high of $0.787, reflecting a 6.64% range. It's worth noting that over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a 16.5% gain. Interestingly, the decrease in trading volume aligns with the stock decline, which can be seen as a positive indicator. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 52 million shares, with a total of 64 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $47.37 million in value. Looking at the bigger picture, let's explore the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest recorded price during this period was $3.71, while the lowest was $0.521. As of now, the current price stands at $2.97 below the 52-week high, which represents a decrease of 79.96%. Furthermore, it is 99.21% below the all-time high of $93.99, which was reached on June 9, 2020. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 14, 2022, B. Riley rated NKLA as a buy with an initialize action. RBC Capital also gave NKLA an outperform rating on the same day, with an initialize action. Cowen & Company rated NKLA as overweight on Wednesday, September 14, 2022, with an initialize action. Raymond James gave NKLA a strong buy rating on Wednesday, September 14, 2022, with an initialize action. Loop Capital Markets also rated NKLA as a buy on Wednesday, September 14, 2022, with an initialize action. Analysts have given Nikola stock a general sell rating. They consider the PE ratio to be a good opportunity to buy, and the price-to-book ratio also indicates a buy recommendation. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. Nikola has been showing some interesting signals lately. Let's break them down. First, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that could affect the stock's near short-term development. Here's what you need to know: the short-term moving average gives a buy signal, but the long-term average gives a sell signal. This means that the stock's forecast is leaning more towards the negative side. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance at the long-term moving average, which is at $0.772. On the other hand, if it falls, there is support from the short-term average at $0.706. Keep in mind that if the stock breaks above the long-term average, it will give another buy signal. Conversely, if it falls below the short-term average, it will strengthen the sell signal. We also saw a sell signal from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a decline of -6.51% so far. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. However, there's some good news: volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicated a buy 36 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average showed a buy signal 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 84 days ago. Finally, we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It indicated a buy signal 97 days ago. If you'd like to explore more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nikola. When it comes to support, Nikola has found a level of accumulated volume at $0.740. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when it's being tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock, which classifies it as high risk. Looking at the past day, Nikola's stock price had a range of $0.0490 between its highest and lowest points, equivalent to a 6.64% change. On average, over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily volatility of 8.72%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Nikola, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is currently losing money. Established companies may experience occasional downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 22, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the expected earnings per share is $0.130. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers, as they have the potential to significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Nikola. If Nikola experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch is at $0.753. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Nikola faces its first support level at $0.740. If this support level holds, it could present a great opportunity for entry, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Nikola is sell. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 14, 2023, Jonathan Perchik conducted an insider buy, purchasing 46,600 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Jonathan Perchik also conducted another insider buy, purchasing 0 shares. On October 26, 2023, Mary S. Chand conducted an insider buy, purchasing 300,000 shares of common stock. On October 26, 2023, Joseph S. Capello conducted an insider buy, purchasing 200,000 shares of common stock. On October 26, 2023, John C. Vesco conducted an insider buy, purchasing 75,350 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -5.880. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,994,031 shares and sold 4,510,497 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock negatively and have not set a stop loss. Is Nikola stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Nikola currently holds several negative signals and we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Additionally, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, January 31st, we expect Nikola to open up at $0.0129 and begin trading at $0.756. Before we delve into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that there is a risk involved. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Also, let us know what target you have set for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day ahead. Best regards from the entire team at StockInvest.